Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this upgrade. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, an anti-static wrist strap, and, of course, your new hard drive. Make sure to choose a compatible SSD or HDD that meets your storage needs. First, power down your HP ProBook 650G8 and disconnect the power adapter. To ensure safety, wear the anti-static wrist strap to avoid any static discharge that could damage the internal components. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back cover. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the hard drive bay. It is usually easy to spot. Disconnect the old hard drive by carefully unplugging any connectors attached to it. If you are unsure, refer to the laptop's manual for guidance. Remove the hard drive from its bay by unscrewing any screws that hold it in place. Remember to handle the hard drive with care, as dropping it can lead to data loss. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new hard drive and insert it into the bay. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect any connectors to ensure the hard drive is properly connected. Once installed, it's important to clean the internal area of your laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the fan and vents. This helps improve airflow and cooling, prolonging the life of your laptop. After cleaning, carefully replace the back cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down gently. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure the back cover in place. Finally, power on your HP ProBook 650G8 and enter the BIOS setup to ensure the new hard drive is recognized. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to install your operating system and transfer your data. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation. With our service, you can get a quote before repair, ensuring transparency and no surprise costs. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Congratulations on successfully replacing your hard drive. Your HP ProBook 650G8 is now ready to perform better than ever. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.